Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tibetan Hunters YouTube channel, and so this is another episode of my longest ride from Kangra to Dharamsala. Okay, so as you watched my first part, if you didn't, then please go and search on my YouTube channel. Then you can find out the first part, and this one would be the second part, because if I join together, then it will be more long. It will be too long, so that's why I just upload as a part 1 and part 2. Yeah. So guys, finally I got opportunity to take out my hunter for a long distance ever since I tried to ride, since I learned how to ride, since I am become a rider. So today in this video I tried to share my experience, how I ride on highway for long distance, and how I feel, how I experience about this ride. As you know that we learned many things in book, from good teachers, from parents, but something that you learned by yourself is totally and completely different. To learn new things from life, from experience, from practical, it's very much different. Yeah, and that way of learning will definitely change your life. Will definitely lead you to some very different place in your life. So since I tried to ride motorcycle, I learned many things that I haven't read in book, and which never talked by teachers. Yeah, things like how to concentration, how to balance, how to ride, and how to deal with machines, how to deal with other writers. These things are never explained in book. So I really proud of myself that I can understand much more things since I start this ride. Yeah, sometimes many of you may be laughing, and sometimes I do that too, laughing at other people's and just mocking about others, bike batting others. That just happening in day-to-day's life. That's human nature. I don't really mind. Since I start to ride motorcycle, I learned one fact, one reality, is that whenever you try to do something, you have to depend on yourself, and you have to make sure that you can do it, and you must believe yourself. That's work, that's effort, that's help you so much, whatever you're doing. So guys, over here we already passed our special place, a crowded place, right? So this place is called Bakandi area, which is far from Dharamsala, almost 40 kilometer. Okay, so there is a mandir as you saw in yellow color. So this mandir called Bagala Mukhi Mandir. Okay, so many tourists, many religious believers come over here for visit, and some of them come here for their married, for shadi. They marry here. A lot of new couples come here for married and to get blessed the God from Dave. Yeah. So guys, as we passed a special place, which uh, which is very famous for the tourists also, and especially religious believers who come here, visit here for prasad, and for darshans, and also there is another reason why local peoples and other peoples come here. Peoples from Punjab, from Himachal, and from Kangras, and also from other state. They come here for shadi. They came here for viva to celebrate and to worship God. So this mandir is located in Kangra district, and the area is called Bakandi, and in Himachal Pradesh. So, guys, the significance of this mandir is very much valuable. Like this temple famous for its yellow painted, because it is color in yellow, painted structure, and is visited by those seeking blessing to defeat enemies or enhance business. So those who are facing problem with enemies, so those those people can come here, visit here, and uh, to Havan and to do Havan and pujas over here. And those who are very much not success in business, then you should come here to visit this mandir temple and to do some workshop with heart. You can succeed. You will succeed in future's business matters. Yeah. So for now, this much I can share with you about this temple. And if you really interest, then go to Google and search Maha Baglamukhi temple. You will get a lot of information. There's another thing I want to share is that from Pond Dam to this mandir, the distance almost around 50-20 minutes by ride. Okay, so after that, now we are heading to the highway. You know, highway. I mean highway, where I can show my hunters energies and it's it's shine. Oh my god, I'm really much excited for that. Yeah, so right now right now we're heading down from the mountains, and after that we will pass to the highway, and after that we will get Kangra back to Kangra, and after that we will back to our area. So enjoy the ride and thanks for support. I don't know what to say, and if you have anything, if you want to share something about your experience about the ride, please leave comments, and uh, yeah, I appreciate for that.
Lỡ cha ta giờ ba kỳ mơ sam chia tang sang yang sư trơ mơ lam la trở về số ba ta ra ya rằng ni là tổ ba chia让你我罗马的梦，空坐在道当，让这我送，从你没把马的梦，空坐给恰当，南就我送。让你我罗马的梦，空坐在道当，让这我送，从你没把马的梦，空坐给恰当，南就我送。
From here, we will ride on highway. Of course, this was my first experience to ride on a highway, and I'm not really confident right now because I watched a lot of YouTube and accident crashed. That's quite tragedy. Yeah, so I'm trying my best to ride very much peacefully and very much comfortable. Yeah, so I hope that all things will be good. All things will be fun, and let's enjoy the ride.
정집에 들이落大天，你只能对面前苍的天，
想当这我只为阿妈娘都有，怕遇陪你走啊街，想当三把藤被穷的有，只能等别过这看的有，看来身边谁人那么样总罢了，怕遇陪你走啊街，你怕遇天。从几杯对你落入大天，你只能得没潜藏的天。想当这我只为阿妈娘都有，怕遇陪你走啊街。想当三把藤被穷的有，只能得别过这看的有。看来身边谁人那么样总罢了。走啊街，你怕雨天，你怕雨天，你谁拿你街头没怕雨，你怕雨天，你怕雨天。So guys, can you feel the ride? Wow, my first ever ride on a highway. I feel like flying on the road with a hunter. You know, that's really a different experience. Now I'm going to catch up my friend's cars. Let's fly! Woo! तो guys हम बीच रास्ते में पहुंच गए और yes we reached almost halfway and now it will take around 40-50 minutes 40 I mean 40 or 1 hour to reach our location back to our campus. And now it's raining, it's slowly raining, and I think we will get wait because I don't have a raincoat. I didn't carry it, and my GoPro is about to down because of battery, so let's see how long it will take. Till then, yeah, I have to ride on highway in raining season while raining. This is another different experience for me, so hope for the best, and let's enjoy my last part of ride. Till then, thank you for guys for watching, and see you in next video.
Chỉ rừng đô sông ngà rong la sông không bao đông bao lưới má đâu lì lâm trừ sông sân ba na sông rê hoa thôn là lô để vì lô thôn đa hoa tê chô để đâu yêu chỉ mà kỳ làm là khó rô khá sông gà chô chẳng mà trong người tôi là rơi mù giờ chỉ đông lý đi vắng mây thôi ở sân bể hoa sơ kia cha gió sông chế đâu ở sông hoa sông ấy đi vắng đi na la mê chế đâu đâu ở rau ở rê cả sông để xem bay ăn thèm bắt tham mà sao mà chế ra rê số hoa tên đây hiểm bà nghe mà chế đong nghe mê cho mà là thế 나랑 소나야 되나야 참말해 소마치라래
Buy this beat now. You know you like it.
요새철성 모정월성 포토숍에서 마도 웬단 셜성 거워컬성 세바르기 호 데빌로 통다와 대초 때로 유틈에게 람라 코로 가슴가 조 참말에 장그 돌아를 무절 치동리디 왕메이도 어서 선별에 와셔 기에 차서 손체로 월성와 Surely one day I'll make Channel Person desin bayan temba tamare Sama cherare So I think the yimbangi mashi Dongi meche marlake Naron sona ya dena ya tamare Sama cherare